Hello, and welcome to Interface's Log100 basic setup tutorial. The aim of this tutorial is to show you the basic setting up and displaying of Log100 with 3 WTS wireless transmitters. Both displaying them individually, with a peak hold, and also sums to one display channel. Here, we have the 3 modules which have already been set up as described in our simple pairing and calibration video, which is also available on our YouTube channel. To view data from them, we need them all on the same radio channel and to know their data tags. All of our modules come from the factory with the data tag set as the last 4 characters of the module's ID. This could be changed if required via the WTS toolkit. First, we open Log100 and start a new project. Click Edit, then Preferences to change some of the general display options, evaluation rate, and switch the warning or limit sounds on or off. It may be worth switching some of these options off if you're using a loss of channels and your computer is struggling to keep up. Now, we look at our individual project, click Edit, then Configure Project. Now we see the configuration window. There is useful tooltip help throughout this window. Along the top, we select the base station type and give the project a name. If you want the modules to stay awake, tick the Keep Awake box. As we're using a USB-based station, we cannot change the common port or baud rate. The radio channel must be set to the same as the modules that are being monitored. We select the number of displays. We're going to use 4 for this tutorial. Now we'll set up the channels, click on the display channel and then click in the boxes to edit it for channel 1. We put the required data tag in triangular brackets in the data fields. I'll just do a similar thing for channels 1 where we can set up a peak hold and total sum function for all the devices. Now that we're happy with the channel setup, we can return to the display screen by clicking OK. Now we can use the devices to show various weights here. We see 1, 2 and 3 weights and the displays for them. Also note the peak displays when the weights are removed. We have now come to the end of this tutorial and hope that you have found it useful for further information on the WTS range and other products. Please see our website at interfaceforce.com.